how to find a tour's reviews on Get Your Guide. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can get a tour's reviews on Get Your Guide. I'm sure you know Get Your Guide is an application where you get guides online when you are going to a new place, all right, maybe for a tour, for an activity, for your hike or whatever. So on the Get Your Guide application, you can always get reviews, all right, very simple. The first step is to check the activity that you would like to go for, first of all right, which of the activities. If you know the name, you can just go to the top part of the screen and click on the search box. You type out the activity, all right. But if not, you can just check out the popular ones here, and then check out the prices as well, and then select the one that you would like to go for. So after selecting the one and you are brought to the page, just scroll down to the lowest part of the page until you can see the tab which says customer reviews. So yeah, you can check out the reviews, the experiences of the customers when they engage this particular guide on Get Your Guide. So you can just check it out. You can click on see all reviews to check out more reviews if it's what you want, and if it's okay by you, you can now go ahead and work with this particular guide on the trip that you plan to go for. So this is how it works. You can also do this for as many trips, as many tours as you want. This is how you can find a tour's reviews on Get Your Guide. Thanks for watching and have a good day.